In both cases, you have a person or persons that are kind of assigned the duties of the day-to-day operations with the LLC. The biggest difference is that in a manager managed LLC, as opposed to a member managed LLC, is that in the manager managed LLC, you can have silent managers that have an interest in the LLC, just like you would have stock in a corporation, and in an LLC you have interest. So there may be capitalists, venture capitalists, there may be investors that want to be a part and have equity within the LLC, but they don't want any part of the management. They just want to contribute funds, and they're going to leave the day-to-day operations to a manager. If it's member managed, then theoretically all of the members that have interest have input, even though they may have designated a certain member to be a manager. All the members certainly have input into decision making and possibly veto powers over the person that's designated the manager. But practically speaking, the big difference is that on the member managed ones, you can have what's kind of akin to silent partners. So you have investors that are have an equity interest within the LLC, but do not have any type of active participation, nor can they have active participation unless the manager somehow breaches their duties within the operating agreement of the LLC, which is kind of akin to a partnership agreement within a partnership. It's not filed with the state. You have the articles of organization that are filed with an LLC, but the operating agreement, kind of like the bylaws of a corporation, basically gives you the day-to-day kind of spine of who is actually responsible for what duties, has financial duties, duties to disclose, things of that nature, and what the interests of the other members are.